Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're actually going to be doing a vlog. I haven't vlogged in a long time. Miss Layton is getting ready to go to school. Socks, shoes. Oh, you got your hair elastic?
Holy butthole!
Austin.
Layton turned me out on the deck. There's like buttloads of pollen.
Buttloads of pollen. Okay, yeah, we're dealing with some allergy issues with Miss Layton. She is so allergic to like that yellow like tree pollen. Come here. And then Austin is staying home today.
He is getting.
Why, Owen? Why are you staying home today? Because you have a cast?
No.
Why are you staying home today?
I'm getting it off.
Because you're getting it off. The cast is coming off today. Come here.
You go really.
No, come here, please.
Oh,
Thank you.
I wouldn't really matter if it was on or off. I would love it if it was off, but I don't know. Wait, isn't it just a machine that cuts only up here?
Yeah, it cuts, there's like a little small mark in it, and then they like use like almost like a plier kind of thing and like spread it apart so it doesn't go near your skin.
So like, yeah.
But they have to cut through this outer part.
Yeah. Like, so they have to stick it right here?
No, they'll probably just do it like right here. It won't go anywhere near your skin, don't worry.
Austin.
Alright, go ahead, go get your socks on. Go get your stuff on. They're wild. But yeah, Austin's appointment got changed like 3 times. So, we have it today, which I'm very excited about. And I also bought a new milk frother for my creamer, which I have next to nothing left. So I'm hoping that this works. But that is our plan. We're just gonna do like an old school, but I used to vlog a lot and do like day in the life videos. And I haven't in a while. But what, Austin?
If Miss Suju says, are you coming? I'm just gonna say I'm not coming to school.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna be standing down for bus stop later.
Okay, well she doesn't need to go out just yet.
I'm gonna tell Miss Sue, my Austin's not going on the bus.
Okay.
I was gonna tell her.
So we have like some cleaning to do. We have some laundry to do. We have obviously Austin's doctor's appointment. I figured I would share with you like what I eat in a day too, because I've been sharing those for our Weight Watchers. We have our oldest son's lacrosse game tonight, so we have to pack up and go to that. I also have to go to the registry. Kids are coming with me. That should be fun. And what else? Obviously Austin's appointment. But, oh, this actually is working. Look at it. I've got cold foam. I don't know. Open the door and see if you think you need one. It's like in between that weather where it's like super hot, but it just started getting hot here in Massachusetts. But it's like, sometimes it's obviously still cold in the morning. So, you don't need one? Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I bought like so many milk frothers and none of them actually worked. I think it's because I was using oat milk creamer, and I've shared so many times already, but that I've switched to just regular cream, like dairy cream, because it's just less ingredients and less junk. So I think this is going to work so well. I'm so excited. And I have new coffee cups coming tomorrow too. I'll show her a little picture of you guys, but
I forgot her backpack.
oh, she still needs a water, I think, too. I don't think she's done that. All right, let me get them settled and I'll be back. Okay, this was absolutely delicious. So good with the cold foam. So that is a hit, and this is the milk frother that I bought, and it actually works. Froth Blast milk frother, yeah. All right, so this is Austin's plate. It's a very large plate, that's why it looks so small, but he just wanted strawberries and egg whites, and I'm having strawberries, grapes, and egg whites. Oh, Daddy must have already opened it for us. Daddy's the best. So that is what we are having for breakfast. Oh, it's a sock. I think I dropped it when I brought the laundry up. Macy's in her crate? Okay. Could you open the garage for me? Say goodbye to the cast. Are you gonna miss it?
Let's miss this cat. It was actually my first broken bone ever.
Yeah, hopefully your last. Well, it didn't go as planned. Short cast. How many weeks? 2 weeks.
Mom, look at this how far I can bend it. I can't
Yeah.
bend it all the way.
He's working on bending it a little bit. And then we just left Target. We got some stuff that we needed.
And then I got...
Austin got a prize because he was so brave.
And this is my prize.
What is it?
Keto.
Like these little fighting guys. So.
It says on the side what they are. It says mini battle action figures.
Mini battle action figures.
That's actually technically what they are. They're just small action figures that you put on a stand up, and then you pull the lever and then they fight.
Where are we going now?
Chick-fil-A. And then we're going home and getting Layton off the bus.
That's right. So we are gonna go home, like Austin said. We're gonna get Chick-fil-A. We're gonna use up all my points probably for the entire day on Chick-fil-A because I don't feel like grilled chicken nuggets, but I think I might just get the regular chicken nuggets and not get French fries.
And then
Let me see.
I kind of want French fries, my normal meal.
You want your normal meal? Chicken nuggets. What chicken nuggets?
Oh gosh, Mom, look at my
Chick-fil-A
skin.
grilled chicken nuggets is 0, but how many?
Mama,
Yes?
bad problem.
What?
My skin's starting to come out.
That's okay, buddy.
Okay.
It's going to.
Look at your phone.
Well, that's okay. I don't care, buddy. I don't know. Maybe we'll see how I feel. But we are going to head home.
Layton doesn't even know that.
And I know.
She's gonna be like, Austin.
She's gonna be confused. Like, what? Why do you have a cast back on? But it's better off. It stinks, but it's better off because,
My elbow.
yeah, it's not holding his elbow in anymore. It's past, it's not past his elbow, and it just gives him a little bit.
Because before it was like up to here.
Yep, a little bit shorter, but yeah. But now that will just give you a little bit more time to heal and get a lot better. So that is our plan. Our Target is like a hot mess because
We had to
they're
spend
redoing.
and we also had to spend $100 and
Yep,
$100.
that's our little secret.
Like,
I'll share with you guys the haul when we get home. Right, here's our grocery haul. Austin's toy. We had to get some cards. Layton's going to a birthday party. It is my dad's birthday. Austin picked this out for my dad. And then a gift card for the birthday party we are going to. And then we picked these out, one for each of the kids. Austin got this little shark one, and Layton got this watermelon one. We got some Doritos. Austin loves the spicy nachos, and those are hard to find. So, and they were on sale when you bought 2. So we got 2 things of those. My cake stand broke, so I got this one. It's from the Magnolia line. It was only $30, so, and I thought it was really nice. It's like exactly what I was looking for, so I love it. Then I got some Stoke Cold Brew, my favorite coffee, some taco sauce, some of these little cupcakes for the kids as a treat, and then I bought this little t-shirt dress. Sometimes I like these, sometimes I don't. I bought the medium because it didn't look much different than the small, and these like always shrink up, so we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it, but we shall see. Then my Chick-fil-A, they did not give me a fork, so I ended up getting, I was somewhat a good girl, and I got to the grilled chicken nuggets, but they had no fork, so I wasn't able to do it, but I am going to have some of these. I got the smallest one. I ate a couple on the way home. Waffle fries, so.
I don't have it on my TV anymore.
Oh no? Alright. You're good to open, dude.
Can you do it for me so you can cut out the guys?
Yes.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. changed me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it bite, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why, I don't know why. Like I'm better off with like I'm better off with
I am putting away the kids' laundry and I am just cleaning up their rooms a little bit, and I didn't realize I was not recording when I did Austin's room. So we are going to, his room is nice and clean. Everything is picked up. The bed was made by Mom, so it looks better. He has been playing with all the guys and all the action figures, so that entire dresser was covered with guys. So I dusted all of this, and now I'll vacuum everything at the end, but his room looks so much better.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more.
All right, I changed my clothes. I just put a t-shirt on because we're going to Brendan's game. Every time I see this sitting on my counter, because obviously Austin's my child, I needed to take this home. I can't, the feel like his arm came off and it's sitting on my dining room table. So I'm gonna pack us up and then I have to go to the RMV, but I'm gonna probably finish up this video with showing you what we, what I end up packing for everyone and what we are going to be eating for dinner, because we're not gonna be home the rest of the night. We're gonna go to the RMV for my appointment and then to Brendan's game, and then we will be home. So I'm gonna pack everything up, snacks. I bought ham the other day. We went to BJ's and I bought these yummy rolls. I haven't decided where I did kind of cheat and have the Chick-fil-A for lunch, if I wanna have the sandwich or I want to have like a salad or something, but we shall see. I'm also working tomorrow, so I might save the salad for tomorrow for work, but I'll let you know what I end up doing. But I hope you guys are liking the kind of like these type of videos. I kind of like am putting everything in one, like the cleaning, organizing, you know, I didn't really organize today, but hauls, grocery hauls, and what I eat in the day all in one kind of video, because I figured, I don't know, doing the like what I eat in a day videos can get like monotonous because I eat a lot of the same foods. So but what I'm thinking of doing is filming like a favorites video for my favorite foods on Weight Watchers, like other than like fruits and vegetables and all that stuff, because those are obviously a given, but like low point, easy, like quick snacks and all those kind of things. So I think I'm gonna film that on Friday. So make sure you stay tuned and make sure you are subscribed for that. But now I am going to go pack us up. All right, so we are all packed up. We've got sweatshirts, we've got sunblock, we've got sandwiches, we've got snacks, we've got waters, we've got chips, we've got fruit, we've got all the stuff. So that is it for this video. If I remember correctly, to enter my points, I will tell you what they are, but my sandwich is roughly 8 points, and then I just have water and I have some fruit, and I think I have, let me see how many points I have left for the day. I have 12 left, so I'll maybe have like a fudgicle or a yasso bar or something like that later on if we decide to have a treat or any of that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do, like I said, lots of cleaning, organizing, motherhood, Weight Watchers now style videos, and I will be doing like a grocery haul and all of my favorites coming soon. So make sure you guys are subscribed and I will see you guys next time. Bye.